Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share with you how to bleed the BMW B58, B38 and B48 engines. Yeah, so you switch the car on, then press the accelerator pedal 5 seconds. Yeah, then this message will pop up. Yeah, so you'll see the service function message started. Yeah, so this one now indicates that you are trying to you have initialized the bleeding procedure. So in this BMW B58 engines, B48 engines, they have two cooling system circuits. They have the high temperature and the low temperature. Yes, so and then here before you start bleeding, then you have to select the temperatures on the highest and the fan stage on the second one, more or less with same as with the N55, but the only difference with this engine, B58 engines, the new generation engine, is that they have two cooling systems, the low temperature and the high temperature, and the modification of the high temperature cooling circuit. Yes, so the pump is not the same as the one used in N55 and N54. Yeah, so these are very different cooling system BMW use on these specific new generation engines here. Yeah, so what you have to do when you start up, select the temperature to the highest, 28 degrees, and then fan speed select at the second stage. Yeah, and then depress the accelerator pedal. Yeah, and then the bleeding would start. Yeah, and you will see the message displayed there of the service function started. So this is for the low coolant circuit, low temperature coolant circuit. Then you also have the high temperature cooling circuit. So you have to do them independently. Once you open the cooling system, maybe you replace the radiator, you replace the water pump, or anything to do with the cooling system of the car. Yeah, so you really have to make sure if you only touch the low temperature cooling circuit, like the cooling system for the turbocharger, the intercooler, so you only have to do on one side. But if you touched or maybe you replace the radiator, you also replace some parts of the turbo, and then the coolant leaked out, so then you'll have to bleed both of sides, both systems, which I'm gonna show you in the next video of how to bleed the high temperature cooling system. Yeah, but they're more or less the same, but in this low temperature you have to have a booster, like a battery charger. Yeah, you have to connect it on so that the power does not go, the battery is not drained so much. Yes, because it consumes a little bit of power, more than usual, because it's a pump running. Yeah, so you would need to have a booster, or if you can't access any booster, you may have to use another car, like connect positive, negative, negative. Yes, so guys, you see here now the service function is finished and the bleeding has been successfully completed. Thank you so much, guys.